Jennifer Baker from JBC Pushing Digital Boundaries. Today, we're going to talk about reducing the amount of spam messages, comments, mentions that your Facebook page receives. If you're like me or my clients, you probably receive at least one of these per day, sometimes many more, depending on where you're located. So, there's a relatively easy fix to reduce this number. So, what you're going to do, you're going to use Facebook as your business page. You're going to hop on over to settings. And then from settings, which does look very different, probably from the last time you've been here, you're going to go down to followers and public content. Once you are on this followers and public content, you can go down all the way to the bottom. So you can choose to hide comments containing certain words. So you can see what I've put in here. I've got to update my list. But these are the common ones that we're seeing. So trouble, violation, maybe I'm going to add that in. Violation. And you can add as many of these as you want. You can also add emojis. So once you're done, you can click save. Other things that you can do country restrictions. So sometimes that does reduce the amount of spam, and then age restrictions. So using a combination of limiting words, countries, and age can be a way to reduce the amount of spam that your page receives.